Good morning. Welcome you all to our EduGuru channel for daily current affairs. Hi, good morning. Welcome back to EduGuru channel for daily current affairs. Today we will discuss daily MCQ quiz, important days of the month and themes, organizations, heads and headquarters. Let's start the quiz. World Book and Copyright Day is celebrated on which date? Answer 23rd April. 23rd April is the date of birth or death of some of the world's greatest writers. That's why we celebrate it. And each year they nominated one country capital as World Book Capital. This time Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Which state's CM has given green signal third edition of Sujalam Sufalam Jal Sanchay Abhiyan? Answer Gujarat. Gujarat CM Vijay Rupani launches Sujalam Sufalam Jal Abhiyan to tackle water scarcity in Gujarat. Badminton World Federation's I Am Badminton Awareness Campaign unveiled by whom? Answer PV Sindhu. Who has received the William E. Colby Award given for an outstanding book on military or intelligence history? Answer Adam Higginbotham. Vinay Mohan Quatra hand over 23 tons of medicine to which country? Answer Nepal. He is the India to Nepal ambassador and he hand over 23 tons of medicine including paracetamol and hydroxychloroquine. Who has launched Vidyadhan 2.0 for inviting e-learning content in New Delhi? Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank. He is the Human Resource Development Minister. Serve the Seniors initiative is a helpline launched by which state or union territory? Launched by Jammu and Kashmir. This is a dedicated helpline service for the senior citizens. Which of the following will launch Israel's first fully digital bank? Answer Tata Consultancy Services. TCS to help Israel to launch its first fully digital bank. Which country legislators have approved a law legalizing the cultivation of cannabis for medical and industrial use? Answer Lebanon. Lebanon legislators has approved to legalize the cultivation of cannabis for medical purposes with some limitations also. Air pollution over northern India has plummeted to a dash-year low for this time 2020 according to satellite data published by NASA. This is 20 years low. 10 varieties of Anthurium, a flower with high market value by cross pollination, was developed by? Answer D. Vasini Bai. Here in this picture you have seen all these 10 varieties there that developed by Srimati D. Vasini Bai from Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. Which company has partnered with WHO to create a new sticker pack together at home? Answer WhatsApp. WhatsApp has partnered with World Health Organization to create a new sticker pack together at home. Which state has become the second after Goa to be corona-free state? Answer Manipur. After Goa, Manipur is the second corona-free state. National Panchayati Raj Day observed on 24th April. National Botanical Research Institute NBRI has developed alcohol-based herbal sanitizer. It is located in which city? It is located in Lucknow. Also SIDBI, also located in Lucknow. So these are today's MCQs. Next we will discuss important days and themes of April month. So these are the updated 2020 themes here. 1st April, Utkal Divas, also called as Orissa Day. 2nd April, World Autism Awareness Day. Theme is the transition of adulthood. 4th April, International Day for Mine Awareness. Theme is Together for Mine Action. 5th April, National Maritime Day. Theme is Sustainable Shipping for a Sustainable Planet. 7th April, World Health Day. Theme is to support nurses and midwives. 10th April, World Homeopathy Day. 11th April, National Safe Motherhood Day. 17th April, World Hemophilia Day. Theme is Get Plus Involved. 18th April, World Heritage Day. Theme is Shared Cultures, Shared Heritage, Shared Responsibility. These are all important days and themes of April month up to 18th April. Next we will discuss heads, headquarters, organizations. So yesterday also we discussed some organizations, headquarters, head and year of establishment. So some more here. This is very important on the basis of examinations upcoming. AI, Amnesty International, headquarters at London. Head Kumi Naidu, year 1961. IMO, International Maritime Organization, headquarters London. Head Kitaklim, establishment year 1954. CWN, Commonwealth of Nations, headquarters London. Head Elizabeth II. UPU, Universal Postal Union, headquarters Bern, Switzerland. Head B.A. Hussein. NATO, North Atlantic Treaty Organization, headquarters Brussels, Belgium. Head Jens Stoltenberg, year 1949. IREA, International Renewable Energy Agency, headquarters at Abu Dhabi, UAE. Head Francisco La Camera, establishment year 2009. SAARC, South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation, headquarters Kathmandu, Nepal. Head Amjad Hussain Baisal, establishment year 1985. ASEAN, Association of Southeast Asian Nations, headquarters Jakarta, Indonesia, that is East Kalimantan nowadays, name changes. Head Lim Jock Hoi, establishment year 1967. IOC, Organization of Islamic Cooperation, headquarters Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. Head Yusuf Al Uthaymin, establishment year 1969. APEC, Asian Pacific Economic Cooperation, headquarters Singapore. Head Sebastian Pinera, year 1989. Yes, these are the current affairs, MCQ, static and important heads and organizations. That's all. Thank you. Jai Hind.
If you like this channel, then subscribe my channel for more updates. Please like, share, comment and subscribe EduGuru channel. Thank you all. Jai Hind.